The Second World War started in 1939 and British declared India a part of the war without consulting Indian leaders. To gain Indian support during the war, the British government announced August Offer on 8 August 1940. The main proposal were they offered dominion status to India and promised a constituent assembly after the war. Let's look at the PYQ fact. So the point is August Offer, first official British offer for settlement of the constitutional problem of India. Congress rejected the offer because there was no immediate transfer of power, and Muslim League also rejected it because they wanted a separate nation for Muslim. As World War II became more serious, Britain sent Stafford Cripps to India in March 1942. The Cripps mission offered dominion status after the war, right of provinces to opt out from the Indian Union, Constituent Assembly to frame constitution, and interim government with Indian participation. Although these proposals looked attractive, but Congress rejected this because there was no immediate transfer of power, and Muslim League also rejected this because the proposal did not clearly accept Pakistan. After the failure of the Cripps mission, the Indian National Congress launched the Quiet India movement on 8 August 1942 at Gowalia Tank Maidan. Mahatma Gandhi gave the famous slogan "Do or Die." The next day, almost all major Congress leaders were arrested. Despite this, people across India continued protest and strike. It became one of the largest mass movements against British rule. Although the movement was suppressed, but it convinced Britain that it would not be able to rule India for much longer. In 1945, the new Viceroy Wavell proposed the Wavell Plan. Its main objective was to reconstitute the Viceroy Executive Council with equal number of Indian and British. All members except Viceroy and Commander-in-Chief to be Indian. To disclose the plan, Simla Conference was held in June-July 1945. However, the conference failed because Congress and Muslim League disagreed over the representation of Muslim in Executive Council. Let's look at the PYQ fact. So the point is, this plan, also known as the Simla Conference, and failed because Jinnah demanded sole representation of Muslim by Muslim League. Finally, in March 1946, the British government sent the cabinet mission, consisting of Patrick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander. They proposed a federal structure with 3 groups, and it aimed at unity of India and transfer of power. Plan accepted by Congress but rejected by Muslim League initially. Let's look at the PYQ fact. Cabinet Mission Plan is known for grouping scheme. It is considered the last attempt of British to keep India united.